In this video, we are going to make a crescent cake. The ingredients you need for the cookie base are gluten-free flour, an egg, warm butter, powdered sugar, and salt. Separate the egg yolks and egg white. Whip the warm butter for 20 to 30 seconds. Mix in the sugar, salt, egg yolk, and half of the flour. Fold in the rest of the flour. Spread that evenly into the bottom of a cheesecake mold. My mold is 7 inches in diameter and 3 inches in height. Bake at 375 degrees for 12 minutes. Handle it carefully after removing it from the oven and refrigerate it for at least an hour before using. The ingredients you need for the cheesecake mixture are blackberry juice, sugar, cream cheese, whipped cream, milk, gelatin sheet, plain yogurt, and vanilla extract. Mix the cream cheese with the plain yogurt and vanilla extract. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 to 10 minutes. Beat the whipped cream to soft peaks. Mix it with the cream cheese mixture. Microwave the gelatin for 20 seconds to melt it and mix in some cheesecake mixture. Mix that back into the remaining cheesecake mixture. Measure out half of the cheesecake mixture. Add the milk to one bowl and mix. Add the blackberry juice and sugar to the other bowl and mix. Pour the pink mixture into the mold and freeze for 30 minutes. Pour the white mixture on top of the pink layer and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. The ingredients you need are blackberry juice, water, gelatin sheet, and sugar. Soak the gelatin in ice water for 5 minutes. Mix the blackberry juice with the water and the sugar. Microwave for 1 minute. Add in the soaked gelatin and mix until it melts. Let it cool down for 15 minutes and pour it onto the cake. Pop the air bubbles on the surface. Refrigerate for at least 3 hours. Remove the seeds from a small pumpkin and pressure cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool down and grind it in a blender. The ingredients you need are whipped cream and pumpkin. Beat the whipped cream to stiff peaks. Mix 100 grams of the pumpkin with the whipped cream. Remove the cake from the mold. Place the bottom of a 7-inch cake mold on top of the cake, leaving a crescent-shaped section showing. Use a large star tip to pipe pumpkin whipped cream in the crescent. Remove the cake mold bottom. Mix the remaining pumpkin with the remaining whipped cream pumpkin mixture and pipe that into the gaps using a small star tip. Sprinkle powdered sugar and coconut flakes onto the cake for stars.